Hi everyone. Yeah, day 8 of out of 180 days. Currently, how I'm feeling means now I woke up 7:40. We're heading towards the gym, and how I'm feeling means can't able to woke up also. See, still sleepy mode is there. Can't able to can't have my that first day how I started day one. Even not able to one doesn't have 1% also. Now, if I woke up no, my mind telling like why you woke up in sleep like this I'm telling doesn't support my mind to me seriously. How I started day one, tell me, with energy, with full motivation, out of 180 days. Now day 8 itself, still 172 days left. Oh, seriously, this how mind play with us. So let's go. How I will update you up to 180 days. How my journey goes. How things far will go. Okay, I'm heading towards our gym. We'll see. Bye bye. Yeah, we came now after 20 minutes walking. Now 7:50. As soon as we tried to close before 9 o'clock itself, because I have to give a presentation also to my TL. Okay, I'm entering now. See you. Finally, I did gym 9:20. Yeah, finally 9:20. Actually, I did gym. When I entered gym, no, within 10 minutes I took a recovery. But doesn't have my mood. I enter gym now. Seriously, doesn't have any mood to do. I was shocked. What should I do? When I doing workout, no, at that time also doesn't have mood. I'm doing leg raises and some warm up I am doing. Oh, warm up okay. After Surya Namaskar is there, no. I went have some like 70-80% mood. I have to do some workout like this. Yeah, seriously. Without motivation, no. Yeah, motivation waste. Yeah, if consistency is there, no, that is far better. Yeah, like seriously, I entered gym. I'm doing like warm up and rotate and leg raises and head hands rotate. Everything I doing. After that, even like jumping, even that's also doing. I'm doing. Seriously, doesn't have like what should I do? Like this, I am feeling after Surya Namaskar, but somehow I did. This is a achievement of over my mind. This is the plus 1 point of doing this one with this feeling. No, I missed 2 months, 3 months of gym. Seriously, I have to defeat this thing. These are the minds actually. Yeah, I will tell you what I did in gym until see. Like triceps, I did tricep push-ups and overhead dumbbell extension. I did. These are my gym. If I was missed, these are. But today out of 5 out of 5 for gym rating. Yeah, I did great also. Yeah, morning also. Morning is my first of all. We'll see in lunch and the evening timetable and all. Okay, this much morning updates. Thank you. We'll see you. I'm in gym. Starting I did. Will come in front of can't have do log and all. That's why I stopped frequently. Yeah, in gym I did first of all. Yeah, everything warm up. After that, leg raises and after that leg raises and abs I did. Little abs for abs. Yeah, that's leg raises and abs I did. After that treadmill cardio I did. After that for today I told after 7 days warm up. 7 days warm up you do gym for dumbbells and all. Today I did chest and triceps 4, triceps 1. Yeah, for chest like incline push-ups for 10 3 sets. Like last sets I did only 8 9. After this dumbbell press 10 3 sets. First of all 2.5, second third 5 kg, and machine press, that is also 10 10 10 3 press. And for chest this one I did. And for another one is cable press, cable at, that is also 10 10 10 3 sets. After that for triceps and triceps weight. I came now now 9:40 weight, time is 36 time. Like I boiled, actually overnight I kept dal, gram yeah, 2 gram dal something is there. I'll mix with some vegetables with them, and mix with vegetables and khara masala, pepper powder, everything I put. I will eat for breakfast. After that we'll see. Yeah, this is a breakfast of mine. And lunch is we'll have some 2 chapatis. Yeah, there is no option for us. And dinner we will see. Yeah, this is a large 4th floor is there, our room. So okay, see you. Hi everyone, now 3 o'clock now. Yeah, I couldn't able to go office because of continuous of meetings and presentation also. Later. Yeah, trucks also go, big trucks. Yeah, some kind of infrastructure practice are there. So go shortcut way to office because it's already late now. So I mandatory took shortcut. This is a shortcut. If I see not shortcut means I have to go near DLF apartment. Very good Osmo road. Yeah, feels also good. This is shortcut way to go my office. No, it's like bypass DLF apartment, that's it. From there we'll connect road, and from the road we'll go to office. Yeah, this is a, see, we'll go. Yeah, today is so much sunny. Yeah, today so much sunny is there. So we'll connect by walk. Okay, I will show you something. Couldn't able to go office, continuous presentation and everything is there. So now 3 o'clock I should report my office, because and I need to took work home also from I'm going 15 to my home. So I need to complete at least 12 days in office. So I need to report to office as minimum 12 days as well. So I'm going now. There's no mandatory because work from home also there. Okay. Yeah, I'm going now. Yeah, now 4 o'clock. I will what I had means 2 omelette I made. Actually, omelette I made for 2, and sprouts with veggies and all. Breakfast I had. For lunch they made some dal, rice bath. Yeah, that one I had. Yeah, I'm leaving now. I see you in the way. We will connect. See my inside background. Yeah, this is a way actually. Yeah, here there is buildings is there. There is DLF apartment. I have to bypass that and took a shortcut way. See, beautiful background, beautiful roads. Yeah, everything, and sunny today. Sunny, little bit sunny, but good. See, maybe truck will go for waters. I think that is water tank only. Yeah. See, like if anyone in front of there, no, I should be like, if not anyone means I will be hold again. This is the way. Hi guys, you know what is aura? When everyone leaving the office, we have to. Hi guys, yeah, I reached the office. You know what is aura? When everyone leaving the office, we have to enter that office. That is night shift, not general shift and all. That is called aura. Beautiful background, seriously. Yeah, we came enter the actual office. Yeah, I am going now. General ODC, we have to sit. We'll do some part of as soon as possible. Set up the laptop. We'll start working, and we'll see what is the mail we came received. What is the team meeting we got? Okay. See you until now. Beautiful cafeteria. Nowadays, I'm getting 2, 4, 3 views. Maximum 4 views I got on log videos. Log videos. Maximum 4 videos I got. Hi everyone. This is my building where I have to work there. Where I used to work there. So now is 7:36. I am going now from office. Our friends. Yeah, now 7:36. Oh, more light required. Hi everyone. Yeah, now 7:40. Yeah, 4 minutes. 7:36. I left from office. Now I am 7:40. It's 7:36. What should I tell you? Hi guys. Yeah, after I went to office around something is around 3 o'clock, 3:30 I went, and I start 3 o'clock only. Yeah, I start today is lot of meetings are there over there. So today I have to give presentation also to my team lead. So today I gave. He told like whatever I gave mistake no, he corrected me. Tomorrow again I have to do. We'll do that best. Okay. And tomorrow I didn't learn anything. Just office to college gym. That's it. I have to now. Within I have to learn something. We'll learn. Okay. I told like some 6 2 problems daily and coaching. That's not happening nowadays. We didn't start it yet. We will solve. We will do as soon as possible. Okay. Yeah, we will do as soon as possible. Yeah, that's it. Now 8 o'clock. Yeah, without traffic I can work in office up to 8:30 9 o'clock also. But traffic is very headache. We have to leave from office 4 o'clock only. In 3 hours we have to stuck in traffic. No productive, no anything. Yeah. Okay guys, this is the day. We have to like after when I went room, my roommates have came today, so they will make something. Yeah, you'll ask. I will only make. Yeah, today. Yeah, that's it. Okay, we will see next vlog.